This is Eric Mother with Mother.com with another quick educational video as a follow-up to a video I did yesterday. And in this quick video, we are going to be taking a look at ETC. Again, it's going to make more sense if you watch the previous video. So I'll do my best to remember to link it in the description of this video. So right now, ETH trading at 3,378. Let's take a look at the 4-hourly and then we'll go to the daily. So yesterday, as a follow-up, I was talking about, and I won't go into details in this video because you can take a look at the previous video, what happened there. And I was also showing why this is an area of potential support on the 4-hourly. So this is the 4-hourly right there. And so let's take a look. If we take a look at a wider view, what I was explaining and why this is short-term make or break, the area to watch. This line here had come into play over the last day or so on the 4-hourly. We bounced there on Ethereum and it's holding. So there's an opportunity here based on the 4-hourly having shown support. There's an opportunity for building to the upside in the short term. And also this area can be watched because, as I mentioned, if we break below this blue line, be on the lookout for a washout. Remember, the backdrop story here is this instrument has had a gigantuan move. And so even a normal correction, quote unquote, could still lead to a sizable drop. Now, let's take a look at this daily chart. I want to show you a recent daily chart over the last couple of weeks, going back to end of, from all the way to March. So I want to show you why this could be a support or break area. And I'm pretty confident that many who use these methods are watching this. Now we can draw a simple single RSI line as search for ETC. And we can say that this line needs to hold. It's a simple single line. It needs to hold so that this instrument can continue holding and potentially building to the upside for a swing trade higher. This line is so well defined that a break of this line and is gonna see a massive move down. That's one view. The other view is based on the uniformity concept, and what we're gonna do here is figure out where we started moving recently, and I can draw it this way. This top side line right there, we had encouraging RSI movement here. We've not been back to that area. So the chart is telling us that's a critical area to watch. What we're going to do is take that breakpoint and extend it. So this breakpoint of the RSI right there, extend it out. Should be something like that. Now you can see that here, a bounce above the line, a bounce on the line. And now we are doing our best to bounce on this line. This is the daily. It needs to hold above the two lines. Again, confirmation from what we saw on the hourly is being confirmed on the daily that this is an area that it needs to hold so it can build to the upside. Failure to hold these two lines, and I can encourage you to understand that a break between these two sentiment lines is gonna bring a fast-paced, aggressive move down. And I would like to point out one other side observation. It is the following. We can see here that the two RSI lines are showing us this is a critical area. But if you go and just consider lines that are drawn from the price, if we take this channel here on the daily, extend it out, maybe we can even take this other trend line here, connecting lows. You can see that the price channels are not giving us a good look of potential support or break. And that is one of the reasons why I personally think the RSI is more accurate. Just my view on how I approach and understand the technicals. And with that, and so it is, Eric Mother with Mother.com. Love, light, love. Namaste.